Hello, everybody. Let's think for a second about reading strategies. What reading strategies can you use if you have to tackle something really difficult to read? Um, I am not talking about reading casually if you're kicking back and reading a novel that you enjoy, or maybe reading some post on Instagram or something that is really fun to read. I'm talking about complex, important stuff that you will need to read during your college careers, right? We've all thought about perhaps tricks that we have used or strategies that help us advance and make progress when we have to comprehend something that's difficult, to make sense of structured text that is structured in a different way from what we're used to. So, in this presentation, you're going to think about any of those, right? And besides the simple ones, which we know, for example, highlighting text, we know about maybe taking notes, we know about maybe using a dictionary, in more complex ones, even, right? Writing a summary, for example, they all count as a strategy. So, onto this uh, uh, template, which is almost like a PowerPoint. What this is it's a Google Slides presentation, so everybody in the class will participate. And what you need to do is you need to add your input, right? But how are we going to do it? Well, first of all, read the presentation. After you have brainstormed about those strategies that you can use, you're going to try to categorize these strategies into beginner strategies, the ones that are very simple, intermediate strategies, and advanced ones. I need you to fill, as a class, I am asking you to fill out this presentation so that we have an account at the end for everybody to come back to. And don't worry, throughout the semester, I will make sure that you use all of these strategies often. But let's start by having them at least listed here, and let's have you think about them. Okay? So follow the instructions in this. After you brainstorm about any strategies that you may have used, and then categorize them. Okay? Thank you.